Hey guys, in this video I will show you the next step on how I optimize the article. So at the moment I have added the missing content, so the paragraphs that I didn't create in the beginning, and now I am going through the article and proofreading it again, and I am adding my main keyword, which is Shopify SEO, and also semantic keywords. And how I choose semantic keywords is I go to Google, and with my keywords everywhere I can find the volume right away. So for example, I have been optimizing this section fonts, and I found that this is quite a good ranking keyword, so I used it in a title. And also this keyword is good, best fonts for it, so I think it's the same. What I did, I just put best font for SEO and it showed me this one, so I used it in the article. And that's what I'm doing with every section, and I'm adding these semantic keywords. So I'm not really stuffing them, because I've only added 2 of them in this paragraph, so it creates this kind of organic feel, but still helps me rank for this particular keyword.